And Cordial Baltic clear. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dublin. The local time here now is coming up to 5 minutes to midnight. To our visitors, a Cade meal of water. To anybody returning home, welcome home. For your safety, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened after the aircraft has come through complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful in opening overhead bins as items may have become displaced, which could fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. If you're travelling onwards today and your bags are tagged through in possession of hand baggage only, if you follow the signs for transfer flight connections, this will bring you towards your next boarding gate and terminal. If you need to obtain a boarding card, you may do so at the transfer flight connections desk. Any passengers who have buggy to collect may do so at the buggy collection point at the top of the air bridge. On behalf of Captain Mal Joyce, myself, Rita and all the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying Aer Lingus today. We hope you enjoyed your flight. We certainly enjoyed looking after you and we look forward to seeing you many times in the future. When travelling again, why not check our website at aerlingus.com for the cheapest airfares, hotels, travel insurance and Aer Lingus car hire. Go off mark with the Cordial free hashtag Aer Lingus in use. Hashtag good night to Canada's the first Lánach Fanacht. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a safe onwards journey. The captain has now indicated if you're in possession of your mobile phone, you may switch them on, but please do not stand up to take them down from the overhead bins. Thank you.